is my daughter? Elisa! Elisa! Where are you, Elisa? I'm here, Mom. Why are you calling me?
Nabaril na. Ay.
Hey, dear. These are your toys. I have everybody to you. You will take care of your things. You will trust them. And if that happens, you have nothing to play with. But Mom, I don't like these toys. I want a new one. Elisa, you should know how to value your small things, like these your toys. But Mom, Elisa, stop acting like that. You should always remember and keep
Huwag pagalitan.
Listen! That everything has a value. Many children want to have toys, but the problem is they can't afford it. But you, my daughter, always neglect those toys I bought for you. But Mom, we're rich and they're poor.
Ano pala si Beba?
We can buy everything we want. But I'm not happy with the toys. I know, Elisa.
Masakit ang pwesto ko.
We can buy the toys we want or what we want. You should remember the importance of saving.
Uy.
You should know how to save money for your future and for our future. Do you remember the times when your dad with us? We always bring you new toys every time we came from his work. But when your dad passed away, it changed a lot. You changed, you become irresponsible. I am the one who will love you forever. I am the one who will guide you. You should be respected and behave. Understand? No, it's already 9 o'clock. You should go to sleep. So can you tell me a story before I go? Sure. Tell a story. The story is about the little prince and the fox.
Morning! Good morning. Oh, but where are you? I'm right here.
Huwag mo na ulitin yan, paring Greg. Huwag na ulitin.
Seryoso sila.
Who are you? I'm a box. I'm a box. Come and play with me. I'm so unhappy. Play with you. I am not Dave. Please excuse me. What does that word mean, Dave? You do not live here. What is it you're looking for? I'm looking for men. What does that mean, Dave? Men, they have guns and they hunt. It's very disturbing. They also raise chicken. Those are their only interest. Are you looking for chickens? No, I'm looking for friends. What does that mean, Dave? It's an acting. How to neglect it? Means establish ties.
Kawawa
Establish
si
ties?
Apple.
Just that. To me, you are still nothing more than just a little boy, like 100,000 other little boy. And I have no need of you. But if you fail me, then we shall need each other. To me, you will be unique in all the world. To you, I shall be unique in all the world. I am beginning to understand. There is a flower. I think she has tamed you. It's possible. On Earth, one sees all sorts of things. Oh, but it's not on Earth. another planet? Yes. Are there hunters on that planet? No. That's interesting. Are there chickens? No. Nothing is perfect. My life is very monotonous. I hunt chicken, men hunt me. All chickens are just alike. All men are just alike. And in consequence, I am a little bored. But if you tame me, then it will be as if the sun comes to shine on my life. I shall know the sound of the step that will be different from other steps send me hurrying back underneath the ground. Yours will call me like a music out of my burrow. And then look, you see that grain fields down yonder? I do not eat bread. Wheat is of no use to me. And the grain field did nothing to say to me. But you have a hair that is the color of gold. You keep a warm when you tame me. The grain field, the wind is also golden. You bring me back to the golden field. Please, tame me.
I want to, very much, but I have not much time. I have friends to discover, and a great many things to understand.
One only understands the things that one thinks. Men have no more time to understand anything. They buy things already made at the shop. There is no shop anywhere. Where one men buy friendship. And so, men has no more friends anymore. They want friend, tame me.
But what must I do to tame you?
You must be very patient. First, you will sit a little distance from me. Like that, in the grass. And I shall look at you out of the corner of my eye. You will say nothing. Words is the source of misunderstanding. Every day, you will sit a little closer to me.
Kapag ganyan sa'yo, puro ka matawa ng tanong. Yung ginagawa nila. Ganda sila.
Come at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Then, at 3 o'clock, I shall begin to be happy. I shall feel happier
Marami,
and
Krishna.
happier as the hour advances. At 4 o'clock, I shall be whirling and jumping about. I shall show you how happy I am. But if you come at just any time, I shall never know at what hour my heart is ready to beat.
Picture mo, Krishna.
One must observe the proper rights.
What is the right?
Those are also action too. How can it like that? This makes one day different from another day. One are different from another are.
Mamicture
For
ka.
example, among my hunters, every Thursday, they dance like this.
So precious. Mamicture ka lang, Krishna.
So, Thursday is a wonderful day for me.
Alam mo yung
They go
back
out
dance?
first to find yard.
Mat.
The hunters dance at just any time, and every day would be like every other day. And I shall have any vacation at all.
Hindi niya alam yung mat dance. Picture ka po.
Wow, should
Bakit?
I?
What's your own fault? I never
Sige
wished
na,
to
picture
get
ka.
so harm, but you wanted me to tame you.
Yes, that is so.
But now you are going to bride?
Yes, that is so.
Then it has done you no good at all.
It is very good because of the color of the wheat fields.
tamed you, and you have tamed no one. You're like my fox when I first knew him. He was only a fox like 100,000 other foxes. Then I have made a friend. Now he is unique in all the world. You are beautiful, but you are empty. To be sure, ordinary passerby will think that my rose looked just like you, the rose that belongs to me, because she is my rose.
Picture ka nga. Bublutot ko sa akin na ka na.
What is essential is invisible to the eye.
Okay na.
What is essential is invisible to the eye.
The time that you have wasted on your rose makes your rose so important.
It's the time I have wasted for my rose.
Men have forgotten your shield, but you must not forget it. You become responsible forever for what you have done. You are responsible for your rose.
I am responsible for my rose. To introduce the characters,